Hi guys, so today we are making beef tallow from scratch. Pretty simple recipe. I left a list of things you will need at the end of this video. To make beef tallow, you need the fat from a cow. You do need a sharp knife for this, and be very careful. Do your very best to remove any fats from the tri-tip steak. Once you've done that, we need a pan, whatever you have, works fine. We will be letting this simmer on very low. You can also do this in the oven in a aluminum tray, should be fine, at 200 degrees. After this, you do want to strain your beef tallow by removing any meat particles. You could actually use those meat particles to form tacos, sort of like chicharron tacos. We made sure to eat these little bits. Remove those. You can now strain your beef tallow into a jar. You can go an extra mile and use cheesecloth if you want to remove everything. But I went ahead and kept it just like this. I let it sit and solidify. And this is perfect for cooking veggies, cooking another steak, and you should never toss this. If you have a jar sitting around, use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.